Japan seamlessly blends ancient traditions with cutting-edge technology, creating a unique travel destination. To make the most of your first visit, understanding a few key tips is essential. Whether you're exploring Tokyo's vibrant streets or Kyoto's tranquil temples, these insights will enhance your experience and ensure a smoother journey. In this video, we'll provide valuable advice on local customs, efficient transportation, and cultural highlights. Prepare for an extraordinary adventure and uncover the secrets to a memorable trip to Japan. Number 10. Embrace the local customs. Japan's rich cultural traditions are an integral part of the travel experience. Bowing is a key gesture of respect, often used as a greeting or a way to show gratitude. Removing your shoes before entering homes, temples, and certain establishments reflects the importance of cleanliness and respect in Japanese culture. On public transportation, maintaining a quiet demeanor is customary, as it contributes to the peaceful atmosphere valued by locals. By understanding and adhering to these customs, you not only show respect, but also immerse yourself more fully in the Japanese way of life, enhancing your overall travel experience. Number 9. Learn basic Japanese phrases. Knowing a few basic Japanese phrases can significantly improve your travel experience. While many people in Japan speak some English, using simple Japanese phrases like arigato, which is thank you, and sumimasen, which is excuse me, shows respect and can make interactions smoother. Phrases like konnichiwa, which is hello, and oishi, which is delicious, can also enhance your dining experiences and help you navigate daily activities. Learning these basics not only helps in communication, but also demonstrates your effort to engage with the local culture, making your journey more enjoyable and authentic. Number 8. Use Japan's efficient transportation system. Japan's transportation system is renowned for its efficiency and reliability. The Japan Rail Pass, available for tourists, offers unlimited travel on JR trains, including the famous Shinkansen or bullet trains, making it a cost-effective way to explore the country. In cities, public transit options like subways and buses are punctual and easy to navigate. Using transit apps can help you plan routes and schedules with ease. Familiarizing yourself with these transportation options ensures smooth travel between destinations and allows you to fully enjoy Japan's diverse attractions without the stress of navigating unfamiliar routes. Number 7. Be prepared for cash transactions. In Japan, cash remains the preferred method of payment for many transactions. Although credit cards are increasingly accepted, especially in urban areas, smaller establishments and rural locations often prefer cash. It's wise to carry yen for everyday expenses such as dining, shopping, and public transportation. ATMs can be found at convenience stores, but it's beneficial to have cash on hand to avoid inconveniences. Having a mix of cash and cards ensures you're prepared for all types of transactions, making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Number 6. Respect the quietness of public spaces. In Japan, maintaining a quiet and respectful demeanor in public spaces is highly valued. On public transportation, such as trains and buses, it's customary to keep conversations to a minimum and use headphones if listening to music. This respect for tranquility helps create a calm environment for everyone. In other public areas, like parks and streets, avoid loud behavior and keep phone calls discreet. By adhering to these norms, you show consideration for the local culture and contribute to the peaceful atmosphere that is integral to Japanese social etiquette. Number 5. Indulge in Japanese cuisine. Japan is celebrated for its diverse and delicious cuisine, making it a must-try during your visit. From sushi and sashimi to ramen and tempura, the variety of dishes offers something for every palate. Street food like takoyaki or octopus balls and okonomiyaki or savory pancakes provides a taste of local flavors in a casual setting. Be sure to explore both traditional restaurants and modern eateries to fully experience Japan's culinary scene. Each meal is an opportunity to savor the country's rich food culture and discover new favorites, making your trip not only memorable, but also a delightful gastronomic adventure. Number 4. Utilize Japan's clean and safe facilities. Japan is renowned for its cleanliness and safety, and you'll notice this as soon as you arrive. Public restrooms are well maintained and often feature high-tech amenities, including bidets and touchless fixtures. Trash disposal follows strict recycling guidelines, so be sure to sort your waste correctly. Many cities are also equipped with clear signage to guide you in managing waste properly. This emphasis on cleanliness and safety contributes to a pleasant travel experience and helps ensure that public spaces remain welcoming for everyone. Embracing these practices will make your journey more comfortable and enjoyable. Number 3. Stay connected with a SIM card or portable Wi-Fi. Staying connected is crucial for navigating Japan and accessing travel resources. Renting a portable Wi-Fi device or purchasing a SIM card for your phone can keep you connected throughout your trip. This ensures you can use maps, translation apps, and stay in touch with family and friends. Portable Wi-Fi devices are especially convenient as they provide internet access for multiple devices at once. By staying connected, you can easily find your way around, make reservations, and enjoy a more seamless travel experience. This preparation helps you stay organized and makes your adventure in Japan more enjoyable. Number 2. Understand Japanese tipping culture. In Japan, tipping is not a common practice and can even be considered rude. Unlike in many Western countries, excellent service is already included in the price, and the focus is on providing exceptional service as a standard. Instead of tipping, express your appreciation through polite words and gestures. For example, a heartfelt arigatou gozaimasu, which is thank you very much, goes a long way. By respecting this aspect of Japanese culture, you align with local customs and ensure that your interactions are courteous and appropriate, contributing to a more respectful and enjoyable travel experience. Number 1. Explore beyond the major cities. While Tokyo and Kyoto are iconic destinations, Japan has many hidden gems worth exploring. Venture into smaller towns and rural areas to experience the country's diverse landscapes and traditional culture. Places like Hakone offer scenic hot springs and views of Mount Fuji, while rural areas in regions like Hokkaido or Okinawa provide stunning natural beauty and unique local traditions. Exploring these less-traveled paths can offer a richer and more varied experience, allowing you to discover Japan's serene countryside, charming local festivals, and authentic cultural practices, making your journey truly memorable. Japan offers an extraordinary travel experience, blending tradition with modernity in captivating ways. By following these essential tips, you'll be well prepared to navigate the country's unique customs, efficient transportation, and rich cultural landscape. From embracing local etiquette to exploring hidden gems beyond the major cities, these insights will help you make the most of your trip. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Drop any questions or additional tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Have a fantastic adventure in Japan.